Okay, it's going to be necessary for me to differentiate how I'm going to teach the class. Some students might have different reading abilities and others might just come from a different background too. So they mightn't have the knowledge of Australia, say that's necessary to read a text about Australia and take all the meaning from it. The digital book actually does quite a good job, I think, of explaining some unique Australian things, say like how we like to live along the coast and how we enjoy having a big backyard. But I can take this a step further. So with our reading, I could hand out a page and with the readings on it, and in the margins make certain notes that would help prompt a reader. So I could explain some points that are unique to an Australian context, like say what it means by a quintessential Melbourne icon, that is the tram. You could explain some idioms, like what it means by a sea change or a tree change, what it means by a pull factor, or what livable means, or livability. And this would be good too for everyone in the class. I think it's important for students when they're reading, if they're struggling to know the meaning of a word, that they push themselves and they try and learn by the context of the words around them. So this would just be for students who struggle reading or maybe don't speak English as their first language. Another activity could be a shared reading. So rather than reading the whole text to the class, I could omit a chapter or two and students read it together in a group. So if an ELAD student was paired with another ELAD student, then they could confer in their own native language what the meaning of the text is. And this, students tend to be more comfortable talking in their own tongue. They could have that little support network there, and just in re-articulating too, they get a deeper understanding of the text.